next segment of awards. May we invite Prasoon Joshi ji, he is here. Thank you so much for being here with us. And also, we'd like to move on to the next category where we are going to tell about the access to quality healthcare, which has been a basic right. Yet many parts of India still face shortages in infrastructure, resources and services. Bridging these gaps calls for innovation, for commitment and an unshakable focus on the well-being of every citizen.
India's progress as a global hub for medical research and innovation is built on the tireless work of individuals who declare themselves to saving lives, preventing diseases and improving health outcomes. Tonight, we honor one such leader. May we see the nominees, please.
In the category of healthcare, the nominees are Ajayan Nammini Purathu. Ajayan founded Sanathya Foundation to provide free medical equipment to the needy. He has served hundreds of patients, loaning donated life-saving and mobile-enabling equipment. Ajayan's vision has transformed the lives of countless patients and promoted dignity in healthcare. Kanchan Gupta. Driven by her mother's struggle with cancer, Kanchan launched Age Friendly Bharat to uplift elderly and marginalized communities. Her impactful programs have enhanced dignity and well-being for over 32,000 seniors, blending traditional wisdom with modern solutions to foster inclusivity and purpose. Leo Akash Raj. Leo founded Pretty Little Hearts to combat preventable infants and maternal deaths in Tamil Nadu. His flagship program, Prime, this year itself has provided free pregnancy scans, transport and nutrition to over 2,300 tribal and differently abled pregnant women, ensuring access to vital maternal care.
And the Times Now Amazing Indian Awards 2025 in the healthcare category is Kanchan Gupta. Big round of applause for Kanchan Gupta. May we please have you on the stage.
Kanchan's journey began in a moment of deep personal loss. Watching her mother's final battle with cancer, she saw the critical gaps in dignity, care and support for seniors. That experience became her calling.
In fact, Kanchan left behind a conventional career to champion the cause of healthy aging, of inclusivity and purpose for India's elderly, the marginalized as well as the tribal communities. Big round of applause for Kanchan Gupta.
Congratulations, Kanchan Gupta.
Well, Swati, as we all know, India has made remarkable progress when it comes to sanitation and water accessibility. From the Swachh Bharat mission, which was launched in 2014, to Jal Jeevan mission in 2019.
And this award category honors individuals tackling one of the most fundamental human needs, clean water and proper sanitation. Our nominees have worked tirelessly in both rural and urban areas to improve hygiene, promote safe water consumption, and build awareness for healthier communities.
So let's meet the nominees. Here they are.
In the category of water and sanitation, the nominees are Sikandar Saab Meera Naik. Driven by a childhood vow, Sikandar Saab Meera Naik empowers rural India with his twin-ring borewell recharge method. His work across 11 states has improved groundwater by 40 to 60%, providing year-round water to farmers and increasing crop yields by 30%. Dr. Megha Bhargav, an IRS officer with a purpose, Dr. Megha Bhargav equipped 10,000 girls with menstrual hygiene education and sustainable products, boosting school attendance by 90%. Her Clean Water initiative also improved health for 5,000 children in Madhya Pradesh. Rajashekara Raju Podili. Rajashekara Raju Podili has dedicated 2 decades to uplifting rural communities across 11 districts of southern India. His watershed projects have created 5 million cubic meters of water storage, benefiting over 60,000 women and 25,000 families, thereby transforming lives with sustainable development.
And the Times Now Amazing Indians Award 2025 in the category of water and sanitation is Rajashekara Raju Podili.
Well, Mr. Podal is not here amongst us today, of course. However, we'd still like to honor the kind of contribution that he has made. He grew up in Darsi of Andhra Pradesh. Rajasekara Raju witnessed firsthand the struggles of farming communities, from water scarcity to limited access to education. Coming from a humble family dependent on paddy cultivation, he developed a strong sense of responsibility to serve. Even though he may not be here today, we honor the body of his work, his contribution.
And Mr. Joshi, before we thank you and before we let you go, क्या मैं आपसे गुजारिश कर सकती हूँ? AV में मैंने बहुत अच्छी बात सुनी थी where you said that we are not honoring these individuals, the awards are being honored. तो शायरी के जरिए आपके अंदाज में, can we have a few words for our winners?
बंजर धरती के सीने पर पैर पटक के नन्हा अंकुर। सोचिए, बंजर धरती है और उसके सीने पर, बंजर धरती के सीने पर पैर पटक के नन्हा अंकुर एक हरी सी जिद पर उतरे मुमकिन है। सूरज मुट्ठी के अंदर हो और छलक कर रोशनी जमी पे बिखरे मुमकिन है। मुझे यही कहना है कि कई लोग होते हैं जिनको अवार्ड मिलता है, पर कई लोगों से अवार्ड को कुछ मिलता है। तो मुझे लगता है जो भी यहां आज जीतने वाले हैं वो टाइम्स नाउ को सुशोभित कर रहे हैं, टाइम्स नाउ का ऑनर बढ़ा रहे हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट द पीपल हु वर्क फॉर अवार्ड्स, दीज आर द पीपल वी हैव टू फाइंड। एंड आई बीन पार्ट ऑफ द जूरी प्रोसेस, आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू एक्चुअली so much of data in front of you to do justice, and my congratulations to all the teams who have been able to tirelessly find these people, the Times Now team here, and all my fellow jurors who have, slogged it over. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने सही कहा, मुमकिन है। एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आवर अमेजिंग इंडियंस टेल अस एवरी सिंगल टाइम, राइज अबव देयर हार्डशिप्स एंड स्ट्रगल्स। मुमकिन है हर चीज। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
And just for anyone who may not know, Prasun Joshi ji has been part of this initiative from day one, the last 4 years. Thank you so much. We couldn't have done it without the jury members. So big round of applause and thank you again, Mr. Prasun Joshi.